Nettle is powerful for so many reasons. I want to say, first of all, physically, very high in iron. As you know, especially if you have heavy periods, if you are spotting, you definitely are going to feel the lack of iron through fatigue. Iron, if you especially are feeling that fatigue, drink it before your period, drink it during your period. It will really elevate your energy. And energetically, this is a little bit more unscientific, if you will, but you might notice a difference for yourself, is stinging nettle I found really helps with boundaries and really being able to I want to say be less of a people pleaser in that way, because I know that as women especially, we want to make people happy. We want to be there for people, and when we are in a little bit more of an imbalance with that, nettle tea can energetically really support us. That's something I've experienced that I quite love.
Cool. No, I love that. The wisdom of nettle.
Mm-hmm.
Right? It's still there. It's still supportive. It's still
Yes.
holding her own in all her beauty.
Yes.
But if you come and you rub her the wrong way,
Totally.
that sting is
Exactly.
there to protect those boundaries.
Exactly.
Yeah.